you ever wondered how you can make your Google search ads only show on mobile devices or only show on desktop? Because I have, and I learned it this week actually, so I want to show you how to do it in case this question pops up. And the first thing I'm going to do, because right now I'm in a new Google Ads interface that is still quite new to me, I'm going to switch to the old interface. So I'm going to click on appearance and I'm going to click use previous design, just because that's the one I know. And this new interface confuses me, even though it's very pretty. And then you go to Insights and Reports and you go to when and where ads showed. And then you go to Devices. That's where it was. And then you can simply choose, for example, search. Here you can see one of the campaigns, right? Search Germany graphic design subscription. And what you can do then is select these two. For example, if you want your ads only to show on computer device, like on laptop devices, computers, not mobile phones, you can select these two and then you can click Edit, change bid adjustments, and then decrease by 100. And this way, a 10 euro bid will become a 0 bid. So basically here you can see I decreased the bid for mobile phones and for tablets, because I know this particular page, landing page, performs better on desktop, on computers. So I just decrease the bid. And you can see it here, you can also adjust it here. But this is basically how you do it. You just see Insights and Reports, when and where as showed, and then Devices. And that's it. You can click through all your campaigns and you can adjust the bids from there. I hope this helps, and I hope you won't take as long as I did scouring the internet to see how to actually do this. Let me know what you think, and if you have any other questions, I can try to record a video about it. Just let me know in the comments.